Hi guys, so today for my unboxing video, oops, I feel like I need to fix this. Can't tell if it looks better longer or shorter. I'm just gonna pull it down. Could also do it like this. I think that's actually really cute, a little lower. Okay, so I'm gonna open this box. Oh my goodness. This one is hilarious. There's one thing in here that I can't show you guys. And if you saw what it was, good. It's actually just paper towels. But yeah, we don't need to show you guys paper towels. Okay, I'm trying to put this in its place, but it's not. I don't know why I didn't just put it on the ground. There it is. And if my dog decides to try and eat that one as well, we're gonna have a big problem. So he better not. Juno, don't even think about it, buddy. Here he comes. See, here he is. Oh, you guys can't see him, but he came to visit. Okay, so this is what I got for Halloween. And it is a Midnight Princess. And it is a size small. And it includes a dress, a headband, a choker, and gloves. And this is for adults. So it's supposed to fit me. I'm really excited for this. And I'm gonna try it on. Follow me on Instagram at ManifestingMelvie if you don't already follow me. So you guys can see what the end result of this outfit is. All right, well, that's it, guys. See you next time. Bye.